This is a 5-ax home built Trunion type with Ethernet stepper motor board. It supports 6 channel. It's about 40 by 40 inch work area. The Z-axis can move down 15 inch. Here is the lathe, and here is the Trunion 5-axis 120 degree on the 4-axis and 360 on the table. 0.8 kilowatt water spindle using Mark III. This is my new toys. Wecreate 40-watt laser with conveyor, auto feeder, accept board 14 inch wide and 137 inch long board. So about 14 inch wide and 12 feet long board. It's a 40 watts. And a 2 watts infrared laser head. And here is the Shapeoko from Carbide 3D XL model, 3-axis with 0.8 kilowatt water spindle. Also have a Jtech 2.8 laser. The 3 machines are for rent. Contact us for detail.